Welcome, Comes TV. Welcome to my lab. I'm Dr. Ken. Today, we're gonna do it next spring. This is chemistry lab. Let's open it up. We have citric acid and I don't know what this.
That's food coloring
That's food coloring.
and beakers.
Beakers. And the funnel is this thing right here.
Yeah, there's a funnel.
Yeah. How do you open it?
And it has gloves too.
Balloon. Manual. And baking soda. Let's get started. Yeah, now we're gonna start with this first.
Okay, so open it up.
How do I open it?
Okay, I'll open it for you.
I don't need the glove.
Okay.
How do I open
Oh, why are you wearing glasses?
Cause I need to be safe. My eyes are. If I don't wear glasses, then my eyes are gonna hurt.
Yeah, if the chemical falls in there, it's gonna hurt. All right, Dr. Cameron, thank you for the information. Let's open these up.
Let's open this.
What's in there?
Oh, I don't know. Nothing.
Uh-oh. Maybe it's a storage compartment. All right, let's see what we have.
Today we're gonna put citric acid and baking soda and see what happens.
Ooh, let's
For
see.
this experiment, we're using water, a funnel, a big beaker, and a small beaker, and a spoon, and food coloring.
And we're also using
Wait,
baking soda and citric acid. All right, so, are you ready? Let's begin.
its skin looks like a glove, so I can just use it.
You gotta be safe.
I'm taking baking soda. The 1 tablespoon of citric acid. Now we pour 20 liters of water.
So now that you have your water and your baking soda, you're gonna mix the water in the big beaker and see what happens.
Ooh!
Wow.
It turned into a toxic soda.
Yeah, it fizz. It's fizzing like soda.
You have to do something like this.
Whoop. Is that exciting?
Watch my video. This is more exciting. Subscribe to my channel. See you later. Bye.